The SOL Firelight Kit has everything you need to start fires, whatever the weather. The kit contains our Firelight Sparker, 20 of our TinderQuick tinders, fire starting instructions, and is all contained in this waterproof resealable Dry-Flex bag. The Firelight Sparker is proof that good things come in small packages. Weighing only a few grams, yet operable for over 5,000 sparks, the Firelight is usable with one hand, even when wet. Each flick of the wheel generates a burst of sparks, and the small size makes it easy to aim the spark directly at your tinder source. The 20 pieces of TinderQuick are both wind and waterproof. TinderQuick ignites easily, even after being soaked in water. Simply shake the excess water from the tinder, pull the edges apart to expose the dry inner fibers, and spark to light. Each piece will burn up to 2 minutes, giving you enough time to get your fire started. The SOL Firelight Kit. So small, and yet this may be the one piece of gear that will turn a miserable, cold outing into a bright, warm, happy memory.